Hi, my name is Jim. I work here at Hall's Nursery and Ace Hardware of Jacksonville, Florida. Today we're going to show you how to plant a 3-gallon plant. Starting with digging the hole. You want the hole to be approximately 1.5 times deeper than the existing soil level and approximately 2 times wider than the pot. Take your potted plant carefully out of the pot. Gently loosen the roots around the root ball. So then you set the plant in the planting hole. Make sure you have it situated how you want it. Your top of your root ball is level with or a little bit higher than your existing soil. And then for the backfill, you take half of the soil that you dug out of the hole and mix with half of a good quality organic garden soil or any organic mix or any mix. Black cow would be good. Compost would be good that you've made yourself. So you mix this together, backfill around the plant. And this process would be the same for any soil that you have, sandy soil, loamy soil, clay soil. This type of a mix will help break up hardened clay soils. It will also help sandy soils to hold moisture and nutrients better. And then loamy soils, it just adds to that moisture holding ability also. So then you press this tightly to eliminate any air pockets. Air pockets create an issue with the plant drying out between waterings. And the next thing you would do would be to water with a solution of root stimulator and water. Root stimulator is a light fertilizer solution. It's a 410-3 with an indole 3-butyric acid in it. And that acid helps the root system to develop quicker. And you want to do that solution on the plant probably 2 to 3 times a week in addition to your regular watering. And you want to water this plant for approximately 2 to 3 weeks, depending on your climate. Here in Northeast Florida, it can be very dry. So we recommend watering your plant, deep soaking your plant every day for the first 2 to 3 weeks. Now that the plant is planted, the next step would be to add mulch around the base of the plant. Any type of mulch, pine straw, cypress mulch, whatever you might have available to you. What that will do is help retain moisture and minimize weed development around your plants. So after approximately 4 weeks, your plant should be well established and ready for a regular fertilizer. In this case, we have the Fertilome Azalea fertilizer with systemic insecticide. This is not something you put on right away. It's something you put on after about 30 days. It helps to feed the plant for 2 or 3 months. Just a light sprinkling of this around the plant and the systemic insecticide in it will help keep insects off, in this case, an azalea plant. Depending on what you're planting, always remember to visit your locally owned independent Fertilome retailer where you can find local solutions for local problems.